how to hold and do a handstand. You click the video, you should know what this is. Standing on your hands, so you should warm up your wrist and your shoulders. You should also stretch your legs, maybe not like a split, but at least like touch your toes, something, stretch your legs. You should also stretch your back. It's a handstand tutorial, not a stretching tutorial. You're gonna fall off your handstand when you start, so you're gonna fall into a bridge like that. It'll be fine as long as you keep your arms sturdy. Also step forward with your hand and like fall to the side, since I know you can't do a bridge. I'm kidding. Yeah, you wanna learn how to safely fall. So you fall by like twisting to the side. You should like try it, don't just watch. Now how do I get into a handstand? Arms up, one leg back, one leg forward, and use your back leg to kick up. And you can see how I can safely fall without hurting myself. That's what most people do, but the way I do it, you put your hands down first and then you slowly kick up into a handstand. I find this way easier because you have more control, you can do it slowly, you won't kick up too fast. Look, you can slowly like gain control. Like you don't have to put a straight leg, you can do like a double stack, like switch up that leg position, do it straight, do it like the split, and like switch up your leg around. Arm placement, like you see this is wrong, like my arms are way too wide, like you don't see people doing it. Like you want to align it with your like shoulders, so that way you're gonna find your balance better. Just like how you don't want to be too wide, you don't want to be too close to your hands, because like that's kind of hard to balance. But how do you actually balance? It's the same as standing up. Like if you fall forward, your tippy toes goes forward. Like try to fight for your life. And if you're going backwards, well, you like lift up your legs like that. You want to place your hands down, not flat. You want to like bend your fingers a little, like you're gripping onto something, like you're gripping your will to live. Yeah, you're like grabbing the floor. And so when you're falling forward, your fingers will like grab on to the floor. And when you're going backwards, you'll use like your palm area to like balance backwards. You can only explain so much. You're gonna have to actually do it yourself. Like get off that phone, get off the computer, and try it. Make sure you're pushing up with your shoulders and you're locking in that elbow. As you can see, I was tilting backwards a bit, so I used my grip and my fingers to find my balance again. You also want to make sure you're fully conscious of your whole body, which is basically engaging your body. You want to be conscious of your toes. Make sure you're like pointing them and straightening out your leg. Best tip to find your balance, use that wall. Like you see, I kicked up into this thing and you like put one leg back and then you slowly try to like find your balance by lifting your other leg up. Make sure you're engaging your elbows, your shoulders, straightening out everything. Slowly lift the other leg up to find your sweet spot and to get that balance. Yay! You're not gonna get it in one day. You're gonna have to practice like every day or like every other day if you actually want to be good at it. Consistency is key, and if you don't practice, well, you're not gonna be able to do it. I don't know why you want to do handstand, but like it's a cool thing. You can show off to your friends. If you have any, you can, like walk around and handstand, it's cool. Thanks for watching.